Energize your future with a hands-on trade in electrical technology. From wiring a home to installing sustainable energy-saving solar panels and creating efficient manufacturing solutions, there are many avenues for the field you wish to pursue. In just 2 years, you could be well on your way to an exciting and rewarding career. Graduates often seek employment in electrical construction contracting or electrical departments in manufacturing industries while performing many hands-on skills acquired in the program. Students will study NEC, RCW, and WAC codes throughout the program to ensure an understanding of industry standards. Instructors will introduce the generation and distribution of AC/DC electricity, residential and commercial wiring methods, industrial motor controls, programmable logic controllers, and electronics, as well as utilizing green technologies such as solar. This program is designed to prepare you as an entry-level electrical technician with multiple career pathways. Also, as the industry seeks to create efficiencies through automation and retrofitting outdated structures, the knowledge and skills you can develop in the program may prepare you for industry certifications. If you're looking to enter the electrical industry and trying to figure out your best way to acquire training, PerryTech's 2-year electrical technology program may be the perfect fit for you as students study different aspects to prepare for an array of industry environments. Get started today by scheduling your program tour at perrytech.edu/tour.